convert 2310 base 8 to base 10. Now we write out the values. Solution: 2310 base 8. Now from the back, we assign the values 0, 1, 2, 3. This is equal to what? 2 times what? We are writing the expanding form. 2 times 8 raised to the power of 3. Then we have 3 times 8 raised to the power of what? 2. Then we have 1 times 8 raised to the power of 1. We now have 0 times 8 raised to the power 0. Now we have the expanding form of the solution. The next thing for us to do is to simplify the expanding form. 8 raised to the power of 3. 8 times 8 is 64. And 64 times 8 is 512. Plus, so we have 3 times 8 raised to the power 2, which is 64. Then, what do we have here? 1 times 8. 8 raised to the power 1 is 8. Then this is a term with 0. So what happened? We have 0 here. Now, we need to multiply. 2 times 2, what do we have? 4 from the back. Then, 2 times 1, what do we have? 2. Then, 2 times 5, what are we having? 10. Plus 3 times 64. From the back, 3 times 4, that's what? 12. So we carry 1. Take note of that. 6 times 3, that is 18. 18 plus 1, that is 19. So it means that 3 times 64 is 192. 1 times 8, that's 8. Plus 0. Now we are going to add. We can say 1024 plus, let's add this part. 192 plus 8, what do we have? That is 200. And 200 plus 0, that's also 200. So we add what we have here now. Let's add 1024, then we add 200. What do we have? From the back, 0 plus 4, that is what? 4. 2 plus 0, we have 2. 0 plus 2, we have 2. Then, what do we have? 1. So, it means that what? The answer is 2310 base 8 is equal to what? What number in base 10? 1224 base 10. Thank you.